Okay, we're 5 miles down the road and it has not moved. It's not an airplane, it's not a helicopter, it's not a hot air balloon, not the moon, not a star. Where'd it go? I don't know what that. I wish I'd gotten the airplane in there. Where I don't see it on here.
You can get to the clouds.
Right there it is. Maybe a balloon. It's definitely not an airplane. It's definitely not a helicopter. Where did it go? Right there.
The 3 tenets of lithium. 1. Take yourself too seriously. 2. You're not getting older.
Move in the back. Get in the back, buddy.
You're getting better. 3. 90s alternative.
Did it go behind the clouds?
No, it's right there above us still. I lost it on the video though. There it is. There, yep, right there.
Yeah, it's a balloon.
Huh?
It's a balloon.
Oh, you're kidding.